Good morning students. I am SK Puri from Kendriya Vidyalaya Misrak. Today I am going to teach you class 10th mathematics of chapter pair of linear equations in two variables continued part 4. Students, in this chapter I want to recall and summarize the formulations which are essential to learn the chapters. So one by one I will discuss about this one. Let us see the summary of this chapter, the part which have been already we have discussed in part 1, part 2 and part 3. In part 1, part 2 and part 3 we have taken some examples, find the solutions of two variables linear equations of their algebraically as well as geometrically, that is graphically, and by solving this we can conclude some few points. Two linear equations in the same two variables are called a pair of linear equations in two variables. So once again, two linear equations in the same two variables are called a pair of linear equations in two variables. The most general form of pair of linear equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, where a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 are real numbers such that a1 square plus b1 square not equal to 0, as well as a2 square plus b2 square not equal to 0. Second, pair of linear equations in two variables can be represented and solved by the graphically method as well as the algebraic method also. In graphical method, the graph of a pair of linear equations in two variables is represented by two lines, and there are the three cases. If the lines intersect at a point, then that point gives the unique solutions of the two equations. In this case, the pair of equations is consistent. In the lines coincide, then there are infinitely many solutions, each point of the line being a solution. In this case, the pair of equation is dependent, or we can say that it is a consistent. If the lines are parallel, then the pair of equations has no solution. In this case, the pair of equation is inconsistent. So there are the three cases: the consistent, and we can say that dependent consistent, and third one is inconsistent. For algebraic method, we have discussed the following methods for finding and solutions of the linear pair of equations. Students, we will see in the next our part only we study about its methods. First is the substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. We have already know the substitution method and the elimination method. One new methods we will study the cross multiplication methods on later on. A pair of linear equations is given by a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then the following situations can arise: a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. In this case, the pair of linear equation is consistent. Second is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. In this case, the pair of linear equation is inconsistent. Third one is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. In this case, the pair of linear equation is dependent and consistent. So there are very important cases. We will solve the questions in the next exercises. Students, there are several situations which can be mathematically represented by two equations that are not linear to start with, but we alter them so that they are reduces to a pair of linear equations. By seeing this one, students, we will try to solve the questions, and in our next videos we will see one by one in each of the cases we saw that we have discussed now. So students, in next videos one by one we will see it. Please solve the questions, and by solving the questions, if you feel any kind of the difficulties, share your views and doubts. I will clarify it. Thank you.